Hello folks, we at 2IIM offer two kinds of online courses. One is the live online, other is self-paced. Live online, you attend a bunch of live classes, obvious. Self-paced, you learn on your own in an island. Fine? So, depending on what kind of guy you are, you might prefer one over the other. What we have done is compiled a bunch of ideas or thought processes of individuals who have preferred the self-paced course for specific reasons that apply to them. A very interesting compilation. You should definitely go through that. Where you're saying, look, I am a guy who likes self-paced because of this. And if you're that person, then it is super useful. You must take it very seriously.
Are you someone who gets bored in a 2-hour live class? If you're nodding your heads, then I'm like you guys. I get super bored in a live class and I start to take my phone and check my messages and go to Insta, and this completely kills my momentum and interest to study. This is when I thought of trying out the self-paced course. In a self-paced course, even if I study for half an hour, I can put my all attention and then complete the topic and feel happy about it. And I'm also a person who sometimes read the topic halfway and leave it there and come back, and sometimes I complete 2 to 3 topics and get done with it. So self-paced gives me all that flexibility. On top of this, I'm a morning person. I like to study in morning, and all the live classes happen at night. I'm already half asleep while attending those classes. So this is never a problem in a self-paced course. So self-paced ticked all my boxes, and that is why you have to try the self-paced course.
I am in a zone where I'm much comfortable with all fundas, just very basics. Like I know how to calculate what is 25% of 48, or I know that speed is equal to distance by time. Then I don't have to wait for anyone. I'm not dependent. I'll go take the bike, put the first gear, start the ride by my own. That means like without any hesitation, I'll go pick a self-paced course for my CAT preparation.
I have opted for self-paced CAT. I have two main reasons. One, I have a hectic work coming up. My manager loves to give me work because I am the most efficient.
Oh no!
Second, I love to go on my pace. Flexibility is my biggest friend. So, as I have a 2 months hectic period, I can't be in a scheduled live online classes where I'll go to a self-paced. I can prepare at any point of my time, be it in a lunch break, breakfast break, anything I can prepare. As self-paced gives me a lot of option to practice flexibility, this is my go-to option. If you're my type of guy, choose self-paced.
Look, you don't have to take a decision on whether self-paced or live online based on this video. But if you found yourself nodding your head, saying, look, I am like that, then probably the self-paced will work for you. Keep that in mind. It's just a video to help you, nudge you towards creating a framework for taking the decision. Having said that, we at 2IIM have a reasonably flexible policy. If somebody has bought self-paced and they want to change to live online, at any point of time you can shift, you just pay the difference and jump on. So you can take, it's not an irreversible decision. So you can kind of flirt with one and then go to the other. Right? Best wishes again.